Okay, traders, in today's video, we're going to look at deep out of the money options and casino odds. Buying deep out of the money options seems like a great idea to some. Beginners are often attracted to this strategy because the options cost so little and can offer a huge reward. Unfortunately, while these options might be cheap, they are rarely a bargain. Traders need the stock to have a massive move in a short space of time for these options to become profitable. Certainly, it can happen, but the majority of the time these options expire worthless. As with all long options, time is not on your side, and these options will be decaying every day. Also, the options delta will be so small that even if the stock does make a big move, it's unlikely that the option will change much in price. The cost of getting in and out of the trade can be large, especially when taken in percentage terms. Let's say you buy a call option and the spread is 20 cents to 60 cents. It's unlikely you'll be filled at 40 cents, so you'll likely need to buy the option for 45 cents or 50 cents. Even at the initiation of the trade, you're already down potentially 25%. Out of the money puts can potentially have some value in a portfolio from a hedging or insurance perspective, but even then, the cost of the insurance likely outweighs the potential gain over the long term. And there's been some studies done on this as well. You can probably check them out online. So, in summary, there are many factors in play with options pricing, and buying deep out of the money options has a very low success rate. Traders need the stock to make a big move and to make it very soon after entering the trade. Not only do traders have to be right on the direction, they have to be spot on with their timing as well. And that's very hard to do consistently. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out a bit more about how I trade, make sure you go to optionstradingiq.com. Plenty of free courses that you can download there. So go and check that out. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I'll be doing more of these videos, so make sure you check back regularly. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Cheers.